guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Sarah if you are new, and today we are going to be unboxing the BoxyCharm Luxe. I almost said deluxe, but yeah, it's Luxe. It's deluxe, it's Luxe. I don't even really know if it's worth putting my video out there or not, but I am going to be doing it anyways because I love these boxes. You get such amazing stuff in them. And so yeah, so we're just gonna go for it anyways. Before I open and dig in though, we're gonna prep the face. I've got like moisturized and primed and stuff, and when I will be back, we will have all the foundation on. So 1, 2, 3. There we go. Nice, much better. All right, guys, let's check out and see what's in here. Start off, we got our card, which has all of our descriptions and our prices on it as well. Okay, so the first product we have here is this foaming shower gel by the Rituals of Sakura. So it's like a Japanese thing. Okay, so next thing I grabbed, we have a Kat Von D daggered tattoo liner. I don't actually have this. I only have her regular tattoo liners. So this is the daggered one. Oh, very cool. I will definitely be trying this. So here's what it looks like. That's this slant to it. Usually the tip of the liner is just like a total paintbrush, whereas this one is an angled, and it looks like, I can't tell if it's felt. Nope, it's a brush as well. So I will be trying that on. We have a Too Faced lip gloss. Oh wait, I already forgot to tell you the stupid prices. Hello. Okay, so the shower gel retails for $9.50, okay? The Kat Von D liner retails for $20. Okay, so now we have this Too Faced Rich and Dazzling lip gloss. This retails for $21. This is super, super cute. It looks like so. It's actually square, and then it has this really cute, that's a little embellishment. What else do we have in here? We have a Saturday skin product. So unfortunately I won't be able to try this today either, since we've already prepped the skin and put some foundation on, but it is the Waterfall Glacier Water Cream Moisturizer, and this retails for $39. So we have a Ciate, it's the Confetti Highlighter. This retails for $32. Oh, it's the same packaging that as the blush that I got in like a month or two ago. And here's what it looks like. It's actually smooth, like it's very slightly bumpy. Okay, next we have the, oh yeah, this is a real oldie but a goodie. It is the Soy Cleanser by Fresh, and it's the large one, it looks like. Yeah, it's the big one. It retails for $48. It's not my favorite cleanser. I've tried it before, but it's good for sensitive skin. A lot of them like it, so probably pass it on. And it just keeps on going, folks. That's the beauty of BoxyLuxe. There's so much stuff in here. Okay, so we have QMS Meta Cosmetics Lip Line Corrector Lip Serum. This retails for $200 apparently. Formulated exclusively for the upper lip area. It targets fine lines and wrinkles. Oh, I could use this. Oh my gosh. Okay, I have like the wrinkles right here, like, so it's a little white cream. So this is what the little guy looks like. And then you just twist it to pop it down. And it locks in. Probably doesn't take much. Designated to hydrate and plump lips for a smoother, youthful appearance. Two more things. We have an In Beauty Setting Mist. Set makeup, energize, and revive skin. And this retails for $32. And we've got a palette. Another storybook. I didn't do a video on my December BoxyCharm, but I got the green one. So, and this is a larger, much larger one. As big as my face. And actually the colors in here are much nicer. I like it. They're closer kind of colors that I would actually use, so that's cool. And this palette will retail for $55. Has a nice big mirror. Let's total her up. All right, guys. Well, the total of the BoxyLuxe items that I received comes to a whopping, there you are, $456.50. That is a whole lot. Mostly skincare this time, so we've got a lip, an eyeliner, an eyeshadow for me to try on right now, and a highlighter. So I've got all that right in front of me. I can feel the lip stuff kind of going. I like that. All right, so as per usual, we will fast forward me trying on everything, and then I'll let you know what I think at the end. I'll see you in a minute.
Taking one more breath beside you, so I could find strength to divide us. Give it all we got, and I know we did the best we could. If I could go back, undo the mess, I would memorize your face before I go. But this is how we grow. Gotta give it up sometimes, let's go. And knowing when to kill your pride. There's no one to blame, nothing really stays the same. This is how we grow. Sometimes we hold on to let go. Sometimes we hold on to let go. Sometimes we hold on to let go. There is nothing lost between us. And oh, I know you have your reasons. Some days I'm a mess, but I know there's a rainbow over all of the past. Your head on my shoulder, but I know we're better on our own. But this is how we grow. Gotta give it up.
All right, guys, well, that is the makeup look that I came up with. And so my thoughts basically on the box for the makeup that we tried, I would say that the Too Faced, I mean, the packaging is gorgeous. It's very juicy couture looking, which is really nice to see. As for the Storybook eyeshadow palette, the shadows were really easy to blend, had really good color payoff. Yeah, I think the shadows in this are really, really nice. I just don't like how bulky the product is. I mean, this is like super bulky, right? I honestly don't even think I'm going to keep it because of that. I'm going to pass it on. I'm sure I will have a friend or family member that would really like this as well, since I've touched it some. So I've got that. The highlighter is really nice. It's not as, it didn't pay off as well as some of their other products, and it's a little bit dark for me right now, but it might work really nicely when I have a tan on. So we'll see about that later. The eyeliner I actually really liked. It's a little strange using something where I have to pay attention to the angle of the tip of it, so that might take some getting used to, but of course, like all Kat Von D things, super black, super pigmented. I love the brush tip. It's really great for getting a really nice sharp liner. And of course it dries down really nice and quickly, and so you never get any weird transferring from it being overly wet. And yeah, so that's it. Like I said, that the total value of the whole box was like $450. It was like $456 something. So it's a really great deal, you guys. You get a lot of really good stuff. Even though I'll be passing on some of the items this time, it's never been really that disappointing. So that is all for today. I hope you had a really great time. Don't forget to hit the like button down there if you like seeing the unboxing videos. Let me know, then I'll keep doing them. But yeah, so until next time, stay blessed. Bye-bye.
I just need to clear my